West Hill Subway, and the other side of the subway over there, and that's the church. It's really good weather today, and this is the bus stop here, and the Bean, and the neighborhood. So this is how the area looks like here. I'm waiting for the bus. It's quiet today. Oh, I love this leaves. Look at the color combination, and the blue skies. Look at that, so beautiful. And I like the 8 number there. So that's the bus in the other side. Plants around this area. Just beautiful. What a beautiful day. I'm zooming in so that you can see better. Name of this plant, but let me know if you know the name of the plants. Comment down below if you know the name of these plants, because I don't. Today is Thursday, almost the end of the week. So we're waiting for the bus. This is how the bus stop looks like. There's bench and shed and the shed. So we're actually near Tibbetts Corner. So that's Tibbetts Corner over there, right at the end of the road. So Tibbetts Corner. So far. Yeah. And this is the other side of the road. We're gonna be here in the next 30 minutes, because when I check it says 5 minutes, but it's 4 minutes and 48 seconds now, so should be here very soon.